Kung may nahanap kang bagong kainan, baka ito na yon. Today's mission, kumain ng masarap na di mahal. Welcome to Bago City. Hindi lang ito home of historical and natural treasures, lugar din ito ng masasarap na pagkain malapit lang sa Bacolod City. Located at the back of HFI building, katapat lang ng Bago City Police Station. Sa unang tingin, di mo talaga mapapansin, pero pagpasok mo sa loob, feel mo agad ang garden vibe. Kahit nasa city ka, mafe-feel mo ang garden-like atmosphere dahil sa maraming halaman at puno. Malamig tumambay at preskong kumain. A little escape from the city where you can enjoy good food and coffee surrounded by cool shade and a refreshing garden atmosphere. They serve lunch, snacks, and dinner all day in the week from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pwede kang pumunta kahit anong araw. Hindi lang yan, tumatanggap din sila ng catering services requests for your special events and celebration. You can choose from beef, pork, chicken, fish, or vegetable with pasta, drinks, and desserts. This place can host or accommodate up to 30 persons para sa events nyo. You can request to deliver the catering food to your venue or rent a place for 8,000 pesos, fully consumable, good for 30 people. First food on our table, back ribs. Sobrang tender, masarap ang sauce. For additional ulam, nag-order din kami ng bucket flavored wings at meron kang 4 flavors to choose from: sweet chili, soy garlic, teriyaki, and buffalo. Dahil mapasarap ang tambay namin, napa-order din kami ng burger and fries. If fries lover ka, I personally recommend yung masarap at creamy meaty fries nila. Lots of cheese with chicken floss and creamy. Of course, we also had pizza in case magutom ulit. Now for the drinks, nag-order kami ng matcha since isa siya sa bestseller nila. Meron ding passion fruit with chia seed. Daming chia seed, hindi sobrang tamis, sakto lang. And for the frap, we had Oreo frap. Lahat na ito ay affordable ang price. Sa Bago City, hindi lang likas na yaman ang ating matutuklasan, pati mga masasarap na karapat-dapat tikman at balikan. For inquiries and reservation, just message their page, Espada Cafe Bago City, or contact 0917-896-4829.